Hello, my name is David Riddle, and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Home Life. Today we're going to talk about stripped screws in wood and how to prevent it from ever happening again. What I have here is a door hinge on my outside garage door, and these screws always loosen up because either the weight of the door, this happens to be a metal door, the weight of the door, and or just simply the fibrous aspects of wood. What we're going to do first is take a screw out. These screws always loosen because of the weight of the door and the fibrous aspect of the wood. What I'm going to show you today is how to eliminate this problem of these screws loosening simply using cyanoacrylate or CA. The first thing I do is I run the screw in, and then I unscrew the screw. And then I flood the joint or threads with plenty of crazy glue or CA, and then I let it soak in for a second, and then I run the screw back in. Now this screw will never ever loosen up again, simply because now the wood fibers have all been bonded together in a matrix, just like rebar and concrete. Now this is a strip screw right here. Now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem by unscrewing this, and then I'm going to use baking soda in a special way with CA. I'm going to basically take a coffee straw, which is a thin straw with little holes, and I'm going to jab it repeatedly into the, and you can see how much stuff is in, or glue, baking soda is in there. Then I'm going to simply put this in the hole and blow it. And what that does, it allows, and now when I put this CA into the hole and flood it, now it's a completely new thread that will never strip.
Now,
absolutely tight.
You didn't wait very long to do that. What's the wait?
There's no waiting because the baking soda cures it instantly. This top screw is also stripped, just like this one was. So I'm going to unscrew this, just like I did the previous one. I'm going to grab the baking soda box, put some baking soda by blowing it in, and a little bit more. You can see just how much you're putting in just by looking at the side. Now, I'm going to take my CA and I'm going to flood the joint. Okay. And I'm going to run the screw, and now the threads are very tight.
What does the baking soda do?
The baking soda acts as a curing agent, but it also forms a matrix along with the wood fibers to form an extremely tight joint, and it is no longer stripped. It's that fast is how you can solve stripped screws in wood. My recommendation is use this technique. You will find it really, really useful whenever you run a screw into wood. It will increase the strength of that screw to such an extent it will never ever fail again. And if you have not seen all of these things, make sure that you do look at our other videos, because we have a lot of explanations in those videos. And thank you very much for all of your likes and all of your comments and joining and adding to our subscriptions. Thank you very much.